Stay with me until the end, because I'll explain exactly what the new DVSA booking rule means, who it affects, what mistakes you should avoid, and how you can make sure your driving test goes ahead without any unexpected problems. Welcome back to UK Fines Alert, your trusted source for the latest UK driving rules, DVSA updates, DVLA news, and practical advice that helps drivers stay informed and avoid costly mistakes. Let's begin. Over the last few years, demand for practical driving tests has remained extremely high across the UK. Many test centres have waiting lists stretching for months. Because of this, the Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency has been working to improve fairness in the booking system and reduce misuse by bots, bulk bookings, and unofficial booking services. The latest focus is on making sure that every driving test appointment belongs to a genuine learner driver who intends to take the test. If the DVSA identifies information that appears incorrect, suspicious, or doesn't match its records, your booking may be cancelled. Many learners wrongly believe that once a confirmation email arrives, everything is guaranteed. That isn't always the case. The DVSA can review bookings before the test date, and if the required conditions aren't met, the appointment may not go ahead. One of the biggest mistakes people make is entering incorrect personal details. Your full name, driving license number, and other information should match your official records exactly. Even small errors can create unnecessary problems when your booking is checked. Another issue involves using unofficial third-party booking services. While some companies provide legitimate cancellation finding services, others reserve appointments in ways that don't comply with DVSA rules. Learners sometimes don't even know how their booking was obtained. If a booking has been created using inaccurate information or methods that breach DVSA requirements, there is a possibility that it could be cancelled. That's why it's always safest to book directly through the official DVSA booking system whenever possible. Another area attracting attention is repeated booking changes. Constantly moving your test date, particularly if unusual booking patterns appear, may trigger additional checks. While changing your appointment for genuine reasons is perfectly acceptable, excessive changes can complicate matters. The DVSA is also encouraging learners to make sure they're genuinely ready before booking. Booking a test without enough preparation contributes to longer waiting times for everyone. Driving instructors across the UK often recommend waiting until you consistently drive safely under test conditions before confirming your appointment. One important reminder is about your theory test certificate. Your practical driving test cannot go ahead if your theory test has expired. Some learners focus entirely on finding an earlier driving test and forget to check whether their theory pass remains valid. Imagine arriving at the test centre after waiting several months only to discover your theory certificate has expired. That would mean losing the opportunity and having to restart the process. Another common mistake involves forgetting essential documents on the day of the test. You must bring the correct driving licence. If you fail to present the required licence or identification when necessary, your test cannot continue. Many learners become so nervous that they leave important documents at home. A simple checklist the evening before your test can save a huge amount of stress. The DVSA also expects candidates to arrive on time. Turning up late may mean your examiner cannot conduct the test because appointments are scheduled very closely together throughout the day. Leaving home earlier than planned is always the safer option, especially if there is heavy traffic, roadworks, or bad weather. Speaking of weather, severe conditions can occasionally cause driving tests to be cancelled by the DVSA for safety reasons. If that happens, affected candidates are normally contacted with further instructions regarding rebooking. However, this is completely different from a cancellation caused by incorrect booking information or failure to meet the booking requirements. Another important point concerns email communication. Always monitor the email account you used when making your booking. If the DVSA needs additional information or sends important updates regarding your appointment, missing those emails could create unnecessary problems. Some learners never check their spam folder and accidentally overlook important messages. If you've changed your email address or phone number since booking, update your contact information whenever appropriate so you don't miss official notifications. Let's also discuss cancellation scams. Unfortunately, because driving test appointments are in high demand, scammers target learner drivers by offering guaranteed early test slots or claiming they can bypass official waiting lists. Some ask for payment before disappearing. Others create fake confirmation messages. Never share sensitive information unless you're certain you're dealing with an official service or a trusted provider. If something sounds too good to be true, it's worth taking extra care before making any payment. Another mistake involves assuming someone else has handled everything correctly. Perhaps a family member booked your test, maybe your instructor helped, or maybe you used a booking company. Even then, you should personally verify all your details, including your name, driving license number, test center, date, and confirmation email. Taking a few minutes to double-check everything could save months of waiting. Driving instructors are also reminding learners not to rely on rumors circulating on social media. Every week, posts appear claiming new booking tricks or secret ways to secure appointments instantly. Not every viral post is accurate. Whenever you hear about changes affecting driving tests, check official guidance before acting. It's always better to rely on verified information than internet rumors. Another useful tip is to prepare well in advance for your practical test. Practice independent driving, improve your observation at junctions, perfect your mirror checks, work on maneuvers until they become natural, build confidence in different weather conditions and during night driving if possible. Remember, securing a test appointment is only the first step. Passing the test depends on your preparation. Many learners spend weeks searching for cancellation appointments, but only a few hours improving their driving skills. Prioritizing safe driving will always give you a better chance of passing first time. If your test is cancelled because of avoidable mistakes, you'll probably face another long wait before finding a new appointment. That's why every detail matters. Double-check your booking, confirm your documents, monitor your emails, arrive early. Keep practicing. Avoid unofficial shortcuts. These simple actions can make the difference between taking your test as planned or facing unnecessary delays. The DVSA's overall goal is to improve fairness for everyone. Genuine learner drivers deserve equal access to driving test appointments without competing against automated systems or unfair booking practices. While stricter booking checks may seem inconvenient, they're intended to help create a more reliable system for everyone waiting to take their practical driving test. As a learner driver, staying informed is one of your biggest advantages. Rules and procedures can change over time, and understanding those changes helps you avoid unnecessary disappointment. If someone you know is learning to drive, share this information with them. They may not realize that small booking mistakes can have significant consequences. Helping others understand the process benefits everyone. Before your driving test, make yourself a simple checklist. Check your driving license, confirm your booking details, verify your test center location, review your theory test validity, prepare your documents, charge your phone, plan your journey, leave early, get a good night's sleep, stay calm, drive safely. These straightforward steps reduce stress and help you focus entirely on demonstrating safe driving during the examination. Remember, confidence comes from preparation, not luck. The better prepared you are, the more likely you'll perform well when it matters most. The road to becoming a qualified driver starts long before you meet the examiner. It starts with making informed decisions from the moment you book your test. Thank you for watching today's important DVSA update. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who are preparing for their UK driving test. For the latest UK driving rules, DVSA news, DVLA updates, road safety advice, and alerts that every UK driver should know, make sure you subscribe to UK Fines Alert and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an important update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, drive responsibly, and I'll see you in the next video.